Hello guys, so this is the first question of the with code context to 208. It is an easy question, but one arrives to the question description and gets smacked by this long image and a bit of text, and it was a little bit intimidating at first place, but you should not feel that way. You should just start reading and get the hints from the description. So what these guys are asking, well, they present us some kind of file system, okay, pretty much Linux like, where there are only some operations allowed. Go back, stay in the same folder, or drill down to a folder and go deeper. Okay, so the goal of this question is to return the minimum number of operations needed to go back to the main folder after the change folder operations. Okay, so as you can see here in this example, we will receive an array of operations, and the first operations is to go inside D1. The second one is from D1 go inside D2, then go back, and so forth. And so in the end, you when you do all these operations, you end up in the folder D21, and to go back to the main folder, okay, you can think as the root. What do you need? You need to go back twice. Okay, so this is what the question is about, not particularly difficult, and the solution that I came up with is a greedy solution, and it is as simple as adding 1 when we go inside a folder, subtracting 1 when we go back, and when we stay in the current folder, we do nothing. And this is pretty much our solution, and I think there is a caveat, but I will explain it. Okay, so this is my solution. Okay, pretty simple, and this is not needed. Pretty simple. Okay, so here we have a count. You can think of as the current level, and we will traverse all the logs, and we see if the string is equals to going back, and if it is, we subtract 1. If the string is equals to current, we do nothing, and all the other cases we increase the count. And the caveat, the edge case here, is if the count is below 0, we set the count as 0, because we cannot go beyond the main folder. Okay, so if the count is beyond 0, we return 0, and if the count is bigger than 0, we return the count. So this is, I think this is also not needed. It is too much processing, and this is pretty much the solution. Let me run it and see if it's all okay. It is. So okay, yeah, so 100% solution. You can see it here. Okay, so this is the solution for this problem. Hope it was helpful, and let's go for the next question.